Good morning, everyone. My name is Priyanka Patel and I am from Madhya Pradesh. This year I have appeared for ICAR JRF PG entrance and with the subject group of physical science, and I have secured All India rank 3 with a score of 418 out of 480. Coming to my educational background, I have done my BSc Agriculture from BTC CAS Bilaspur, University Raipur, Chhattisgarh. So today here I am to discuss with you some of my strategies and tips which I have followed to crack this examination in a minimal time. So coming to the book list, the first book for theory which I have preferred is ISSS, and this is the most important and most authentic book. I have revised it 4 to 5 times nearly during my preparation. Then the second book is D.K. Das, and this is a basic book if you are a beginner, and I studied it during my semester courses, so during my preparation journey I have not given much attention to it, but this is important and based on the pattern of syllabus which is given in the examination, so you should first start with this book. So the third book which I have read was T.D. Vishwasan Mukherjee. It is a short and sweet book, but each and every line of this book is important, so you need more number of revisions to grasp the knowledge. The fourth one is Treatise. It is written by Etila Satyanarayana sir, and this book works wonder for me as I didn't prepare any handmade notes, so this act as a substitute for me. And the most important point about this book is the author has tabularized or given all the important bits which is relevant for your exam point of view in a single compilation form. So I think you should go with this book. Coming to the minor topics like crop physiology, so I have covered it with Arun Katyan volume 2. That is more than enough. For meteorology, I don't have any books, so I was relied on telegram sources only. For remote sensing, I have covered this topic from Neo ISSS and uses some online sources too, like YouTube videos. Then for pollution, I have covered this chapter with D.K. Das and ISSS only. And if you have time, you can also go with the environmental chemistry of class 11th. That is also a good source. For general agriculture, I think Nimra Sunda is enough for you if you are not preparing for any other CET and BHU examination, then I think Sunda is enough. So coming to the objective book, I have solved T. Ramesh from the beginning. I think revised it 3 to 4 times nearly. Then G.R. Mahajan, M. Moni Raja. So in this book you will get previous year question paper from 2004 to 2018 onwards, and by this you can get an idea about the kind of questions and the pattern which was asked in exam. Then if you have time you can also solve Agri Wizard, only soil science portion, if time permits you. It has nearly 1000 questions. Then I have given a test series from AgriGyan 2 for my self-evaluation. This was helpful for me. It's completely your choice. Now this is all about this books. Coming to the tips, I think syllabus and previous year question paper is the most important thing, and the second is whatever your preparation would be, your performance in the final examination hall will decide whatever the rank you're going to achieve. So many times a paper bit difficult, many times it's very easy. So based on the difficulty level of the question paper, you should decide how many questions you are going to attempt. And I think risk taking is something very much important in the examination, but you should consider up to which extent. And at last, I would like to thank my family, friends, teachers, seniors who have guided me and supported me throughout this journey. I don't think so that I will get this much rank without your help. So thanks a lot, and all the best to all the aspirants who are going to give this examination in the upcoming year. So all the best for your future, guys. Do prepare well.